Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monia and today you're watching Ride or Die with Monia, who is me, duh. And I'm so excited, I'm trying out a new concealer. I've been obsessed with Dior, but it's time to move on. Of course, unless I go back. Typically don't do that though. I'm gonna try out the Lancome all over concealer. So this retails for $29. There is a full shade range. This one is 215 Buff Neutral. And it's supposed to be 24-hour wear, full coverage, preventing from creasing, just make your skin look so good, so flawless. And I mean, I feel like that's a great start. We're starting off on a great foot here. It's supposed to be hydrating and lightweight and will not make you look cakey or creasy. That we will find out. Some great skincare ingredients in there. So let's open this bad girl up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Cute little gold tip, whatever. We just want to know about the product. Okay, that's a big doe foot applicator. That's the color for me and I love it. Just looking at it, it's very lightweight, smooth, pigmented for sure. I mean, that's such a beautiful, that's a really nice concealer. Okay, so let's stop yapping and just apply this bad girl on. So I'm gonna start with the right eye so you can just see the difference. I'm scared. Does a little bit go a long way? We're about to find out. That is definitely a full coverage concealer, like one and done, but I'm just like a concealer. So I'm gonna add a little bit more just in this area right here. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry and then we're gonna get into this side. A little bit does. Go a long way. This is blending flawlessly. Like, I absolutely am obsessed with it so far. I think 2 layers is all I need. I mean, look at that full coverage. It looks absolutely beautiful and it blends very well. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my left side. Okay, so far I love it. Just initial first impressions, it blends beautifully. It melts into your skin seamlessly. It plays well with other products. I'm gonna go ahead, do the rest of my makeup, and I'll come back with my final thoughts, and then I'll do a wear test. Ew, I've not done this forever. I'll do a wear test to just let you see what it looks like throughout the day. Does it break apart? Does it cake? Does it crease? So far, I'm looking snatched. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Guys, I'm feeling cute. Okay, so this is my makeup. It's fully done, and honestly, you can see the concealer. It sets well, played well with others. So far, I'm loving it. It is definitely medium full coverage. It is not the fullest coverage, but I'll take it because it's super lightweight and very like silky smooth to the touch. So when you put it on, less is more. And therefore your face doesn't look cakey. Like, this looks cute, like a little no makeup look. I love it when people say that. I'm like, that's so fake. And here I am being fake. I'm gonna go run some errands, get zip zapped, and I'll do like a check-in maybe in like 8 hours or so. All right, see you guys in the check-in. Bye. Okay, so I am back. It's been 8 hours. I've been outside basically all day, running errands. It's like 103 degrees here in Texas. There's an ERCOT warning. Like, we are living our best lives with this concealer. Let me tell you, she is looking so good. I cannot even handle it. I feel like the more I have worn it throughout the day, the more it like molds and melts into your skin. And I just love when that happens. Not many concealers do that, but when they do, it's like, is she wearing makeup? No, she's just like naturally that gorgeous. And that's me. So I am absolutely in love with this concealer. Again, super lightweight, pigmented, medium full coverage, but it's buildable to full coverage. It's blendable, it's not cakey, it doesn't crease at all. I very lightly setted this, and this is like impeccable. It plays well with other products, doesn't get patchy. So if you are looking for a new concealer on the market, get you the Lancome Ultra Wear all over concealer, because this will be your best friend. That being said, that is everything that I had for today's video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, say hi, let me know if there's anything else you want me to try or review. And until the next one, see you guys. Thanks.